Can you believe this fluffy omelet is made with no oil and no butter? Soft, airy, and perfectly tender. In this video, I'll show you how to make a tall, cloud-like omelet at home, easily and without frying. No grease, no mess, just simple ingredients and an amazing result. Stay with me and see how easy it really is. First, take a deep bowl. Crack 4 eggs into the bowl, one at a time. Be careful not to break any shells and let the eggs fall gently. These 4 eggs will form the basis of our recipe. Next, take a fork and start whisking the eggs. Mix them well until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Keep whisking until the mixture becomes smooth and evenly blended. You're looking for a uniform, light yellow texture. In a separate bowl, pour in 200 milliliters of water. Measure it carefully to keep the proportions just right. 200 milliliters of water will be perfect for this step. Now add the beaten egg mixture into the bowl with the water. Pour it in gently and let the two mixtures come together. This will create a light, smooth base for the next step. Season the mixture with salt to taste. If you like, you can also add your favorite spices. Then take a fork and whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Now keep whisking the mixture with your fork. Make sure everything is fully combined. Whisk thoroughly until the eggs and water form a smooth, uniform mixture. You want the texture to be even, with no streaks or lumps. Continue until it looks just right and fully blended. Next, take a heat-proof bowl. Pour the mixture into the bowl. Make sure to get it all in. This will be the base for the next step. Take a deep frying pan or a pot and pour in water, less than halfway. Place the bowl with the mixture into the pan. Make sure it sits steadily in the water. Cover the pan with a lid and we're ready for the next step. Cook for 15 minutes on high heat or about 20 minutes on medium heat. This will let the mixture set perfectly and become ready. Be sure to run a silicone spatula around the edges because we didn't add any oil or butter. This omelet is completely fat-free, cooked without any grease. Next, take a flat plate. Place it on top of the bowl with the cooked omelet. Hold the plate and the bowl together and carefully flip it over. Your omelet will now be nicely transferred onto the plate. Now just look at our omelet. So fluffy even and airy, rising beautifully in the bowl. It looks absolutely perfect, soft and inviting, ready to enjoy. I hope you can almost smell it through the screen. It smells amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to cook with you again.